Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, as you can see, the market has been somewhat whipsawed for the Australian dollar after rejecting the top side of 72 cents but finding demand in front of the 71 cent handle and now looks for direction following the two-day whipsaw price action. All eyes remain focused on the fragile US-Iran ceasefire with fresh shipping tensions, and along with that, uncertainty over the geopolitical risk. All eyes are now on the US retail sales and the PMI numbers this week. Along with that, we also wait comments from Kevin Walsh at his Fed chair confirmation hearing, looking for clues on future policy direction and central bank independence. So looking at the technicals, they still are buckled, and therefore I still have the call to the bear case and expect to see the Aussie fall back towards the 71 cent handle and reassess from there, just in case we get more of a stretch down towards the lower side of 70.5. Turning to the euro, market is also whipsaw but still holding its gains just close towards the 118 area. Looking at the technicals, they have buckled and remain quite heavy, so I feel that we could be looking for another down test and look towards the region somewhere of 116.5 and reassess. Turning to dollar yen, with the whipsaw price action, a bearish engulfing candle still keeps the weight on the downside, and with this head and shoulders still waits for a close under the neckline of 158.65, which if seen should initiate the move down to the measured move of 156 and reassess from there. Sterling also a little bit on the heavier side as the technicals are buckled and therefore looking down towards the region of 134.5 and reassess. Still holding a neutral view when it comes to gold and oil, but we can see the technicals have buckled for gold, so let's see if we get a bit more of a flow to the downside. While oil still remains heavy as well and could look to that stab area of 78 to down to 76, but as I say, my view is neutral on commodities. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look after the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start of the day.